Hello there, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel, and in this video I will show you how to download and install the AfroLand TV application to your Hisense Smart TV. If you find this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe and share more important videos like this. So if you want to install the AfroLand TV, the first thing you have to make sure is that the application is not yet installed automatically. Once you do that, then go over and launch your Vida App Store or your Hisense App Store, which is on any Hisense Smart TV. Now you can browse through the categories to look for the application, but the simplest thing to do is just go over here and search for application by typing the name, which is AfroLand. AfroLand is AFRO AfroLand. So just type in the name of application like I've done here. Now you can just go ahead and search and see what the cat drags in. So here's what we're looking for: AfroLand TV. There are two options, but you just choose the one you want, and you go ahead and read the instructions about it, and then you can install it to your to your Hisense Smart TV, and that's how to install the application. Now you choose the position to put it, and you can just put it wherever you want. And that's the application. You can go ahead and launch it on your Hisense Vida Smart TV to see how it looks like. And that's how to install the application. Find the video helpful, like, subscribe, and share for more important videos like this.